Hello everybody! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Poverty Hill Adventures. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a product that I found recently. Now, it's not a brand new product, but I was unaware of it, and perhaps some of you are also unaware of it, so I wanted to share it with all of my friends, all of my YouTube friends. So the product is an app for your cell phone, and I'm not too big on apps for cell phones, but this one is different. This one is cool, let me tell you. If you spend any time outdoors, and if you enjoy wildlife, and if you enjoy listening to songbirds and maybe photography, any of those things, this product is probably going to be of interest to you. What it is, it's an app that is free. Yeah, I said free. How many things are free today? Free. It works. How many things actually work today? So it's free and it works, and you can download it to your cell phone. I needed a little bit of help downloading it, but that's only because I am a cell phone dummy. If you know anything at all about cell phones, or you have someone that can help you, it was not all that difficult once I found someone to help me. My stepdaughter Dana helped me download this app for my phone, and I have been loving it. It is really cool. So first off, thank you, Dana, for helping me out. I do appreciate it. And the application is called Merlin. Merlin, M-E-R-L-I-N. I believe the application is somehow connected to Cornell University, which is a university that does a lot of wildlife studies and such. And like I said, it's free, and it's really cool. How it identifies birds is a mystery to me, but using it is certainly not a mystery. You have two options. You have option one, identify the bird by its song, or option two, identify the bird by a picture. Well, the song identification works on windy days. It works if there's more than one species of birds singing. I was just amazed. And how it works is you push a button there and you record the bird singing. And what it'll do is it, based on the area, it does ask the general location, you know, what state you're in, you know, East Coast, West Coast, whatever. And it will take that song that you are recording, and it will identify the type of bird that's singing it. And it works. It works pretty good. Now, does it work 100% of the time? I don't know. I just got the app and I can't say. But it works, let me tell you. And it'll highlight the bird that is singing at the current time. You can save the very different species of birds that you capture with this app on a list. And, you know, if you wanted to make a bird watching list, I don't. I mean, I just use it to identify the birds that are singing. That other option that Merlin has for identifying birds is by a photograph. You can either use an existing photograph that you took in the past, or you can actually take a photograph with your cell phone camera through this app, and then Merlin will identify the bird that you took a picture of. So some of you may already be aware of this software, this application, but I wasn't, and I'm sure there's probably a couple other of you out there that weren't aware of it. So I'm giving you my first-hand experience with this product, and let me tell you, I like it. It's a lot of fun. You know, sitting back in the woods, say you're out turkey hunting and it's a slow morning, but the birds are singing, and you know, I wonder what that bird was or whatever. Or if you're at, you know, photographing birds, you can identify what you photographed. Say you're out fishing, you know, slow morning fishing, the bobber ain't going under, and but the birds are singing at the pond. So it's very cool, very easy to use. There are tutorials. I looked them up on YouTube, but it's very simple, and I know all you guys are smart and could easily figure this out. So enjoy it. If you do download it, enjoy it and learn from it. So until next time, everybody, take care. Thank you for watching. Remember to keep on trucking and believe in yourself even when no one else does.